Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can craft a builder's workbench in Hytale. So if we go ahead and open up tab here, we can see the builder's workbench on our crafting menu, and right now we need to get ourselves some tree trunks and stone. Now in order to do this we are going to need a hatchet and a pickaxe. Now in order to craft these down here you have to get some sticks, some plant fibre and some rubble, and in order to do that you just have to find some hedges here. So for example, if I just hit this, you can see as I hit these hedges that we do get some sticks coming out of them, so you can go ahead and get your sticks from there. And then if we come over to the nearest river over here and we jump in the river, you can see actually that there is rubble at the bottom of the river, so we can go ahead and grab some of this quickly. And once we've done that, you can go ahead and craft your tools, and once you've crafted these tools we are now able to mine stone, the nearest rock face, by just using the pickaxe on the stone. And again, the hatchet here, we can take the hatchet over and just chop down some wood. I do recommend cutting trees at the base, because if you cut them at the base the whole tree will fall down. And once we've got enough wood we can go ahead and open up our tab again, and you can see now that we have the resources to craft the builder's workbench. So I can go ahead and press craft. That's already appeared there in my tab, and then I can go ahead and place it. You do have the option as well of pressing R to rotate it accordingly, so I'm just going to fit that down here with my friend next to our other workbench by pressing the right mouse key, and that is how you build a worker's bench in Hytale. I hope this tutorial helped.